Hi, welcome. This is Clemens at Elektor. If you are a regular viewer of Elektor TV, then you are probably wondering why I'm all dressed up like this. Well, the reason is twofold. First of all, Elektor has something to celebrate. Indeed, the German branch of Elektor turns 50 this year in 2020. Now, this is of course a big thing, which is why the German team is working on organizing special events to celebrate this. More about this in an upcoming video, so stay tuned to Elektor TV. Second, I want to introduce the Elektor Helps initiative that was born during the COVID-19 lockdown period. Of course, Elektor has been helping engineers for years with projects on our online platform Elektor Labs. There we have seen a wonderful diversity of projects come together. We have seen many interesting and fun projects being posted there, and we have also seen projects that contributed to society. In a sense, we feel it's the core of our community, and we are very grateful for all the nice projects that have been posted there. Now, in these impressive global pandemic times, we have seen many great initiatives spring up, mobilizing electronics engineers and maker pros all around the world. Initiatives that Elektor too fully supports. Many members of our community were forced to stay at home as well during this period, and they started to do projects of all sorts, or they continued projects that they never had the time to finish before. In short, since lockdown started, at Elektor Labs too, there are many people who have used their skills to come up with great ideas that may be helpful for other people as well. Whether for fun or for society, we want to encourage you to share these projects at Elektor Labs. It doesn't have to be a respirator or a ventilator, it may also be something fun to make and share. Something fun to do is also nice for those who are forced to stay at home to pass the time. Of course, there are already many initiatives out there that call on engineers to use their knowledge and skills for the good cause. Still, Elektor wants to give a little push here. The goal is not to take away the spotlight from these projects, but on the other hand, put more attention on them. We also would like to give that final bit of motivation to terminate that project that is already at Elektor Labs. To help with this little extra push to get started or start sharing, Elektor offers 3 €100 vouchers for the Elektor store for the 3 most interesting projects, be it new projects or revamped projects for this purpose. On top of that, we will also award a €250 voucher for the project that we feel contributes the most to the society, to the community, especially in these times. Winners will be selected by a jury headed by me. The requirements are simple. We are looking for projects that first saw the light of day during lockdown, or projects that were significantly changed to fit the situation during those days. We have defined the lockdown period as starting on February 1, 2020 up to June 30, 2020. A project can be about anything, as long as it is electronics related, of course. But keep in mind that a €250 voucher is available for the project that adds the most value to improving the current situation. Another important requirement is that the project must be your own brainchild. You are not allowed to post other people's work. Participating is easy, just click the Participate Now button. You must be logged on for this to work. If you are not connected, log on first, then come back to this page and click the Participate Now button. A new project form will open and you must enter a title. A good title is important, so give it some thought. Check that the contest field is set to Elektor Helps projects. If it isn't, scroll through the list and select it. You must also choose a project category. You can choose between fun, general and helpful. Upload an illustration for your project. To make it look best, please respect the 4:3 aspect ratio. Write a short teaser. The teaser must be short because it has to fit under your project photo on the Elektor Labs homepage. Use the description field to tell the world about your project. You don't have to complete the description right now because you can edit it later. Also, project documents like schematics, a source code or photographs can be added later as attachments. Check the CAPTCHA and click Save. Depending on your internet connection, this can take a while. When the project is saved, you can continue with the description. When the description is ready, click Publish. However, before you click Publish, keep in mind that once published, you cannot edit the description anymore. You are supposed to continue a project by posting project updates so that visitors can see that the project is evolving. Attachments can always be added or removed. You have to check the CAPTCHA first, then you click the attachment button. This will open the attachment page where you can edit the project's documents. Drag and drop files on the upload area and enter a description for each file. Then click the Add Attachment button to add the attachment. This will update the project. To delete a project file or attachment, click the tiny waste bin icon to the right of it and confirm. This will also update the project. If you want to add to the contest an existing project that is listed in your Elektor Labs profile, click Edit to open it. Then in the contest field select Elektor Helps projects. You must also choose a project category. You can choose between fun, general and helpful. When done, click Save to save your project. Participating projects that have been published, this means that they are no longer in the draft state, will show up on the Elektor Labs homepage, and they will also have a special Elektor Helps Projects contest badge. Projects that have been selected by the jury for the shortlist will show up on the contest homepage. If your project isn't visible but you feel that it should be there, then please contact us. If you have any other questions, also please contact us, because that is what Elektor Helps is all about. Okay, that's it. I hope to see your contest contribution soon at Elektor Labs. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.